Welcome to today's guide, where I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to add your city on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've noticed changes in the layout and settings, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so you can update your profile quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app loads, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is where all your personal settings and account details are located. Next, from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, make sure you're under the Account Preferences section. This is where you can manage all the important details about your profile and account. Now, scroll down until you see the option called Profile Information. Click on it, and then select Name, Location, and Industry. This is where LinkedIn allows you to edit your professional identity and the details that appear on your profile. Under this section, you'll find an option for location. This is the place where you can add or update your city. Go ahead and type in the name of your city. By setting your location, you make it easier for recruiters, employers, and connections in your area to find you. It also helps LinkedIn recommend more accurate job opportunities and local networking events. Once you've added your city, all that's left to do is click Save. That's it. Your profile is now updated with your city, and anyone who views your profile will be able to see your location right under your details. It's important to keep your LinkedIn profile up to date. Adding your city not only personalizes your profile, but also strengthens your presence in your local professional community. This small change can go a long way in helping you connect with the right people and discover new opportunities. And that's how you can add your city on the LinkedIn app for PC using the new update.